Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining us at Automation Fair at Home. My name is Sydney Salazzo. I'm the Director of Sales Enablement here at Rockwell Automation, and I will be your host this week throughout Perspectives. And while it's a little different this year, we're excited to bring you a world-class experience with great thought leadership, exciting virtual experiences, and cutting-edge insights. Today, we'll be kicking off with several of Rockwell Automation's leaders and learning about what's next for Rockwell Automation, from new technology to exciting partnership developments. So let's jump right in. Without any further ado, it's my pleasure to welcome Rockwell Automation's Chairman and Chief Executive Officer, Blake Moret.
Thanks, Sydney, and good morning, everyone. Welcome to our 29th annual Automation Fair. It's a new experience for all of us as we open up our Rockwell Automation home to all of you. Our theme this year is Your Next. It's certainly been a year of challenges like we've never seen before, but they also bring opportunities and an opportunity to increase the speed of what we're doing as we increase our resilience, our agility, and our sustainability. We're going to share our vision for what's next for Rockwell, and we hope that you learn this week from these stories are things that can help you as you create your own next. Throughout all this change, our strategy has remained the same. We're bringing the connected enterprise to life, and we're doing it with a track record of 117 years of solving customer problems. These things come to life as we provide value for real customers. And what we're doing with Roche is a good example. Roche needed to transform 3 of their manufacturing facilities to be able to produce test kits for the coronavirus, for antibodies, and they needed to do it quickly. They used our PharmaSuite MES software solution to help them schedule production and to make the rapid turnover. Importantly, our solutions team, our engineering experts, were right there with them, working shoulder to shoulder with Roche as they helped the world recover. Another great customer example is what we're doing with Johnson & Johnson. Like all of us in the manufacturing business, we needed to change our production setup to be able to enforce social distancing requirements. And by working with Johnson & Johnson and their robotics and other technology suppliers to create mobile robots and to be able to orchestrate on the plant floor the ability to create those safe spaces within their facilities, we're adding value and helping Johnson & Johnson produce what they're producing to be able, again, to help the world recover. We do this through our great technology, through our partners, and also with the help of some really exciting new acquisitions. And one of my favorites is Calypso. Calypso is an Ohio-based firm that specializes in consulting and delivery for companies that are seeking to create their digital threads and accelerate their digital transformation. They have an exclusive focus on innovation in the digital value chain. Let's take a look.
In 2004, Calypso was founded as a rebellion against the idea that innovation was a task, not a strategic imperative, that the return on investment was too small to matter. Our founders believed that creating better products through innovation could change the world and deliver business results. They believed that a professional services firm could be driven by its mission, core values, and an unwavering commitment to clients. At Calypso, we're more than consultants. We're trusted advisors, practitioners of innovation, and leaders behind our client leaders. We are our own breed, Calypsonians. Since 2004, innovation has evolved into the business imperative it should be, but it's still fragmented, disjointed, and falling short of its true potential. Because in today's world, innovation must be powered by digital technology that connects the entire value chain, from the earliest stages of product development to the end user. This digital thread of information will forever change the way companies discover, create, make, and sell new products. The promise of innovation has never been greater. Now, as a Rockwell Automation company, we can deliver this digital value chain to accelerate innovation, maximize productivity, and optimize operations for our clients. With our roots in innovation, our sights are set on expanding human possibility through digital transformation. To get there, we need collaboration, creativity, diversity, and passion. We need to think differently and break some more rules. Calypso, a Rockwell Automation company.
In addition to Calypso, we also acquired Awesome. Awesome is a leading provider of digital automation technologies based in Italy. They provide industrial PCs and software for machine builders throughout Europe, but especially in Italy and in Germany. We also announced very recently the extension of the PTC partnership. We've had great success working with PTC to bring new value to customers over the last couple of years, and so we've extended that relationship and deepened it. I'm very excited about the momentum that we enter our new fiscal year with PTC, with recent sharply increased orders and new technology to be able to offer our customers. We'll be talking with Jim Heppelman more about this partnership at Perspectives tomorrow. We also announced a new extension of the partnership with Microsoft. It's a 5-year expansion, including co-innovation of market-ready solutions, cloud-native solutions that'll dramatically increase productivity of automation systems and the ability to take the data from automation systems and turn it into additional productivity through information and insights. Let's take a look at the benefits this will bring to life.
Managing files created in different versions of engineering software adds complexity to your work without adding value. Maybe you maintain different virtual machines for different installations, or keep everything on one massive drive. Or worse, you don't have the right versions at all and must install software for a simple file conversion. We know that working efficiently is more important now than ever, so we're collaborating with Microsoft to develop tools that will simplify your day so you can focus less on file conversions and more on delivering positive business outcomes. For all you RS Logix 5000 and Studio 5000 Logix Designer users out there, Rockwell Cloud Design Services is for you. With intelligent workflows and simple interfaces, it allows you to upgrade any file format from any version of RS Logix 5000 or Studio 5000 Logix Designer with ease. Have a lot of files? You can simply process any quantity you choose, all at once. Not only will you gain time back in your day, but you'll also gain visibility. Built-in analysis tools give you greater insight into your project files, with more features to come. The best part of all this? No new downloads or installations required. Get ready to reclaim your time and simplify your workflows with Our Next. Coming in 2021, rok.auto/Our Next.
These and other partners make our ecosystem quite simply the best in the industry. This week at Automation Fair at Home, you'll have an opportunity to engage with these partners throughout the week. This partner ecosystem, combined with our technology and our domain expertise, allow us to say that there is no one better positioned to add value at the convergence of IT and operational OT technology for our customers. We bring the connected enterprise to life for customers around the world and in a wide variety of industries. And during these times, it's especially important to look at the ways that we increase the resilience and the agility and the sustainability of these customers. Resilience through decreasing single points of failure in their supply chain, helping them provide the traceability to ensure high quality for their products, remote operations and monitoring, and yes, helping them to reshore or nearshore to get closer to their big consumer markets. It's agility through flexible manufacturing, precision motion control to be able to add the ability to rapidly change from one packaging format to another, the software to help them schedule production down to an economical lot size of one, and sustainability. Sustainability is at the forefront of our mind and the minds of our customers. Rockwell is committed to a carbon neutral future, maybe even more importantly, helping our customers achieve their own sustainability goals. Things like increased energy efficiency, recycling to play a role in the circular economy, and renewables. We do all this with an approach that's unique. By understanding our customers' best opportunities for productivity and being able to describe our value in their language. Combining technology innovation and domain expertise to bring about positive business outcomes, to give our customers a return on their investment that they expect. And simplification, because simplification drives productivity. At the core of everything that we do is people. Our promise is to expand human possibility. We take the imaginations of people and combine it with the potential of technology to help the world work better and to help the world recover. We do the hard work necessary as well to continue to build a diverse and inclusive workforce so that everyone can and wants to do their very best work. We hope that you join us during the Bold Conversations track of Automation Fair this week to learn more about what we're doing. We have a great week ahead. Amazing opportunities for networking, learning, and sharing, even in this environment unlike any other that we've ever experienced. But it's a chance to all look at what is next. Thank you for joining us this week. I'm going to turn the stage over now to Ernest Nicholas, who will share more about our connected supply chain within Rockwell and take a behind-the-scenes tour of our facilities around the world. Ernest?
With our Bring the Connected Enterprise to Life strategy, our focus is on helping organizations solve their manufacturing challenges. As an industrial manufacturer, we have a tendency to downplay what it takes for our supply chain to make products available to the market. With our product mix, we've had to consistently work to evolve the capabilities of our internal supply chain. And that's part of the reason why we really understand the industry challenges that our customers face. Over the past couple of years, we've thought a lot about how we can be more agile, how we can evolve our supply chain agility to basically counteract uncertainty. If we just stop and we think about this, working our way across the screen from left to right, whether it's global protectionism, constrained markets, the evolving global trade environment, you can even add in tax. Most supply chain professionals can honestly say that they've seen these challenges at some point in their career, but dealing with these concurrently or in quick succession has made this a much more dynamic problem to solve. Then we fast forward to 2020, given a pandemic that's come with its own challenges, and we've all had to stop and question if our approach, if this focus on agility was still valid. As an organization, we've landed on agility remaining very relevant. It's our offense. But we've had to pivot the discussion toward a much more defensive supply chain resilience approach. We just have to keep in mind how we mitigate against unplanned disruption. This has meant that we've got to be comfortable with exposing vulnerabilities within our own internal supply chain. We've stopped to think about this both inside the four walls of our manufacturing facilities, leveraging our own technology, as well as across the broader end-to-end supply chain, utilizing a range of partners. Because of our initial focus on supply chain agility, we've only needed to reprioritize our improvement initiatives. If I just give you a couple thoughts, a couple examples. From an agility perspective, we think about IT to OT convergence, and it still fits our digital manufacturing strategy. But as we consider resilience, there's the right amount of redundant manufacturing that comes into play and potentially becomes more important because as an org, we lead with supply chain customer centricity. we have to protect supply of product for our customers. We know that this is a moving target, and we continue to have our challenges. We're consistently taking a step back as a team and asking ourselves, how can the end-to-end supply chain enable our company to manage through this uncertainty? I've invited a couple leaders in the organization to spend the next 15 minutes providing you with a view of how we've leveraged IT to OT convergence and our own Factory Talk Innovation Suite to drive improvements across our manufacturing footprint. I'm excited about it, and I'm looking forward to providing you a peek into our factories. I think I have a wonderful lineup of facilities to share. Our first of 2 stops in Wisconsin is right here in Milwaukee. As part of an ongoing effort to optimize our manufacturing footprint, the decision was made to bring manufacturing right back to the 8th floor of our global headquarters building. The vision was to dedicate a great deal of our latest software and hardware to competitively manufacture contactors. I'd like to introduce Mike Hangskin, our Director of Manufacturing Program Management. Mike's been with the company over 20 years, with a career focused on various aspects of manufacturing engineering. He's directly supported our manufacturing operations, he's worked in manufacturing strategy, and he's led our advanced manufacturing engineering team. All of this made him ideal to lead the project and work with our integrator to transform this vision into a reality. Off to you, Mike.
Thanks for the introduction, Ernest. Hello, everyone. As Ernest indicated, I'm here to provide a brief highlight of this exciting program that brought 100C contactor production to Milwaukee. This is the sole production location for this product, and the line is intended to produce 1.4 million contactors annually at a 4-second cycle time. There's a high mix of SKUs that are required to be produced in various batch sizes, down to a minimum batch size of 1. And all of this needs to be accomplished with 0 downtime for part changeover. Meeting these requirements demanded a flexible solution that was made possible through IT/OT convergence. Our technology is what makes this possible. This flexibility starts at the hardware layer and is highlighted by seamless integration of robotic assembly and independent cart conveyance technologies. The system leverages both the iTrack and MagnaMotion products and takes advantage of each of their specific benefits to drive value to the manufacturing process. As you can see, gone are the days of traditional fixturing that would be required to precisely locate and queue work in process throughout the solution. These technologies allow us to balance product flow in a condensed footprint by eliminating interdependent station and pallet movements. So whether it's the speed and precision of the iTrack or the flexible design and trafficking capability of the MagnaMotion, these technologies, leveraging our integrated architecture, enabled us to meet the diverse process requirements of the production in this high-mix environment. But the dynamics of the production cell do not stop at the intelligent devices. This production cell takes full advantage of Rockwell's entire suite of Factory Talk software. Integration with our Factory Talk Production Center MES layer enables the dynamic data and order management required to meet production needs. This application, in conjunction with the focused effort to provide the right data to the right people at the right time through Factory Talk Innovation Suite visualizations and AR/VR experiences, are critical to maintaining the business impact of the solution and continuing to drive future performance improvements. So whether it's the soon-to-launch operator heat map that leverages smart object technology to provide line of sight of production disruptions for operators in real time, or work instructions and maintenance procedures that we created with Vuforia Studio and Expert Capture, these tools are critical to maximize uptime in a production environment such as this, where seconds matter. Ultimately, as we continue to deploy solutions globally, the work done in this location serves as a lighthouse project for those developments and will enable us to leverage common solutions and architecture to drive productivity throughout our manufacturing locations as we continue to realize the business value of our connected enterprise. Thank you for joining me today. Now back to you, Ernest.
Thanks, Mike. I appreciate you taking the time to share the highlights with everyone. It's a very impressive automated assembly line. I have to be certain to mention that while there's definitely a showcase element to Milwaukee manufacturing, we do have line of sight to the next phase of improvements. We may like to sit back and watch our products, but this is a normal production operation. And for us, this means we're required to produce the same year-over-year productivity that you see in our other operations. As you can see, we're off to a great start. Our second stop in Wisconsin is going to take us about 20 miles north to Mequon. This site houses the headquarters for our standard drives and kinetics business units, as well as our Mequon operations. There are nearly 1,100 people housed in this facility. There are great applications of technology that I could share with you, ranging from our product development areas, our labs, or even our Mech 1 facility. But I want to share a green energy project with you that we took on back in 2015. We've not highlighted this much, but in a partnership with First Solar, we installed an array of solar panels at our campus. The array covers just about 40,000 square feet. It's designed to generate over 320,000 kilowatt hours per year, which is equivalent to burning 240,000 pounds of coal per year. As an organization, we continue to evolve our ESG strategy. Our natural course of action is that we continue to look for opportunities for both on-site and off-site renewable energy solutions. Now we're going to head over to Southeast Asia to visit our Asia Pacific Business Center so that I can share with you some great work that we've done in Singapore. This site is headquarters for our distributed I/O and small controller business, our Southeast Asia sales team, and our Singapore operation, which is a 300-person operation that's been open since 2006. Joining me will be Ling Oh, the plant manager for our Singapore operation. I'm really excited for all of you to meet her. She's been with Rockwell Automation more than 14 years and has been leading the site for the past 5. She spent time in manufacturing engineering, in production inventory control, as well as production management. She's going to walk you through an application of Rockwell Automation hardware that illustrates our ability to automate what was a very intensive manufacturing assembly line. We've had some incentive, given some intermittent challenges that we've seen with labor availability. This is truly a great example of how we were deliberate in planning the use of our own technology. Let's go check out Singapore. Over to you, Ling.
Thank you, Ernest, for the kind words and my introduction. I will take the opportunity to talk about a project in the distributed I/O manufacturing assembly area. Some years back, when we defined our key challenges and what it would take us to stay relevant and competitive in this space. First, high manual labor content in final assembly. Second, quality, because we have high manual content. Third, lagging analytics. There was a lag in process data availability. It led to rework costs and efficiency loss. It was then clear to us that smart manufacturing was the answer. Rockwell had the technology such as sensors, drive, touchscreen, safety product, and of course, our own manufactured logic controllers. The fully automated assembly took us almost 2 years, and here it is. This automation helped us to eliminate process waste, improve our quality, become flexible, and have real-time data availability. This led to, first, reduce our assembly cycle time by 70%. Second, reduce work in process by more than 30%. Third, reduce manual labor dependency by 85% from 14 headcounts to only 2. All our shop floor people, including me, are excited about this achievement as it relates to technology and smart manufacturing. This has allowed us to stay competitive and to keep expanding human possibilities. Thank you for listening to me. And back to you, Ernest.
Thanks, Ling. I appreciate you taking the time to share a bit about our Singapore operation. That project is just another example of our ability to effectively migrate what was a legacy assembly line with products that weren't designed for automation. The resulting improvements in efficiency, in quality, and productivity are evident, but this was already a very well-run operation. Next, we're going to head over to Poland to share with you how we're utilizing augmented reality and virtual reality within our Katowice operations. This facility supports a wide range of products, ranging from our industrial components to kinetics and several of our engineer-to-order products. Within the past year, our Katowice operation has looked to reshape our manufacturing employees' experience. They looked at our onboarding process, and like most sites, it was very traditional. Revisiting our training process was an idea that they had to improve workforce enablement. That led them down a path of digitizing our work instructions using Factory Talk Innovation Suite. We now prepare training materials using Vuforia. We now have over 70 work instructions that have been digitally converted, and we offer hands-free access to training information. We found that with a very small investment in hardware, software, and rededicating a resource, we've seen an average reduction of about 30% in training time. we've been able to improve the ability to empower our workers, and we've done this much faster than we thought we could in the past. We're giving them better support to perform their jobs, and we now leverage this as a standard for onboarding employees across our manufacturing facilities globally. Another use case takes us down the path of a day in the life of a Rockwell Automation manufacturing employee. I mentioned the pandemic earlier. Within our manufacturing facilities, we are continuously focusing on how we can minimize the risk of COVID transmission. This has meant significantly reducing the number of on-site visitors to our manufacturing locations. After completing the final assembly of our engineer-to-order products, there's generally an on-site witness test where the customer typically reviews and certifies our functional tests before we package and ship the product to our customer's location. As we work through creating a safer environment for our employees and our customers, we were able to utilize Factory Talk Innovation Suite tools to create a virtual witness test environment. Using live video and data streaming, we were able to offer 100% virtual witness tests. In these cases, we're sharing real-time technical results that have eliminated the need for on-site customer visits. Both of these are very exciting changes, and they illustrate how we can apply augmented reality and virtual reality within a manufacturing environment. Now I'll take you to Monterrey, Mexico. This campus has by far the most diverse mix of products of any of our manufacturing locations. Our Monterrey campus has over 1,800 employees that sit across 2 buildings that in total are more than 640,000 square feet. They are one of several sites that have been utilizing lean diagnostic assessments as a platform to identify waste and offer improvement opportunities. These assessments are just part of our strategy to further integrate lean principles into our Rockwell Automation operating system. Within Monterrey, we have a section of the plant dedicated to printed circuit board assembly. Typically, this assembly process begins with surface mount technology, followed by a myriad of secondary processes, but generally ends with what is called an in-circuit test, where we have fixtures dedicated to specific assemblies. From a production planning perspective, we schedule the first operation and await completion on the back end just a few days later. Within those few days, we often find ourselves expediting and reprioritizing work to accommodate our final assembly areas as they look to respond to fluctuations in customer demand. This reprioritizing often forces us into a lot of changeovers. It creates a bit of chaos and leads to inefficiency. By utilizing Factory Talk Innovation Suite, we've extracted the data necessary to improve decision-making in what was an often bottlenecked in-circuit test area. We've combined several pieces of data: the active fixture, work order information, and our cycle times. We've been able to highlight the work in process and recommend upcoming work orders. This recommendation, coupled with visualizing first pass yield quality and shift efficiency, has helped us to reduce setup time and improve output in the area. As a result, we've realized a 21% increase in utilization, primarily driven through a 35% reduction in changeovers. We've also seen a 40% reduction in work in process. I can openly share with you that visualizing hourly performance was just as important as our ability to extract insights from our data. Our last stop takes us to Ohio to visit our Twinsburg operation. This 300-person, 24/7 operation has been open since 1979, and similar to Singapore, houses several of our products that are core to our hardware portfolio. I've invited Tanya Chambers, the plant manager for Twinsburg operations, to share with you a bit about her facility. You'll really like Tanya's energy. She's all about operational excellence through execution. She's been with Rockwell Automation for more than 20 years and was recently named plant manager for the site. Most recently, she was leading our production inventory control team, but spent quite a bit of time working across the facility in production management. She's going to share with you a real-time pilot that we're undertaking in Twinsburg, utilizing our own Factory Talk Innovation Suite to transform our production scheduling process. We're leveraging a tool set to not only automate the process, but to also optimize our daily production schedule. The output of this is then used to assign production employees based on their capability and becomes our visual cue for hourly performance.
Thank you, Ernest, for the kind words and introduction. I'm excited today to speak about the next evolution in Rockwell's digital transformation. In Twinsburg, we are currently currently deploying what we call closed-loop scheduling. Do not let the name mislead you. It is much more than a finite scheduling solution. Closed-loop scheduling, or CLS, builds what we call the digital bridge between manufacturing floor and the entire enterprise. How does it build the bridge? Not only does CLS modernize our scheduling process by digitally linking SAP or Rockwell MES, it also is a suite of powerful tools that enables the manufacturing team in delivering productivity. The drivers of that value fall in 4 buckets: a scheduling engine and visualization tool based on configurable business rules, a staffing visualization tool that assigns labor based on resources and certification, a closed-loop analysis tool that monitors performance against the engineering constraints, and finally, a revamp of the shop floor supervisor and operator displays with additional focus on winning the hour. The innovation of the standardized tool set was done in close collaboration with the manufacturing team here in Twinsburg to ensure we capture the operating rhythm in driving the best practices. This enables me to drive accountability and ownership across the entire Twinsburg operations. Next to me is a closed-loop scheduling display that illustrates one of our production lines where our manufacturing associates work to complete the final assembly of our ControlLogix products. The automation of the planning process, its corresponding transactions, have created a 40% reduction in required planning resources while ensuring best practice or standards are applied. The scheduling tool, data-driven, and uses engineering constraint times for each part number in our catalog to predict how long it will take to complete each work order. It then uses this prediction to build a holistic schedule across every shift. Our project team is currently deploying additional features which will measure our actual performance in real time and compare that against the standard constraint times. For our operation teams, this translates into productivity, 25% of our improvement in direct labor utilization. For our customers, this means improved service driven by more predictable and efficient output. I would like to thank you for the opportunity to discuss our newest innovation, driving results in manufacturing. And now back to you, Ernest.
Thank you, Tanya. As we complete this pilot, we already have plans to deploy this capability across our global footprint. The focus on capacity utilization serves as a bridge to other digital possibilities as we pursue more end-to-end connected supply chain capabilities. Several of the facilities highlighted today are part of the supply chain resiliency plan that I mentioned earlier. The pandemic has pushed us into a new realm of supply chain scenario planning. We've developed a strategy that leverages a multi-site manufacturing approach for us as well as our key manufacturing partners. Redundant manufacturing plays a major role as most organizations think about localization or reshoring initiatives given their ability to respond. For us at Rockwell Automation, this has resulted in kicking off multiple capital projects prioritized around improving redundancy of our core products. We know that we don't have an unlimited budget. We also feel that we've been thoughtful in our selection of initiatives, but we imagine that we can achieve resiliency while improving customer lead times and driving further improvement in working capital globally. As I close, across Rockwell Automation, we've recently made a lot of very intentional changes that are intended to drive efficiency and allow us to better support our customer. We've also changed the name of our Operations and Engineering Services organization to Integrated Supply Chain. This was about a lot more than just supporting the new operating segments. While integrated supply chain is much more commonly used in industry to reference the work that we do as an organization, this defines us and is intended to connote our vision of successfully transforming our organization. Ultimately, we want to be faster to the right decision. And done correctly, we know this brings us closer to the right balance of agility and resilience for our market to better serve our customers. The application of our technology is no longer just a nice to have. These technology deployments are necessary for us to compete as an industrial manufacturer and to continue down the path of making supply chain a competitive advantage for our organization. I really appreciate your time and hope you enjoyed the peek into our manufacturing environment.
Thank you, Ernest, for that presentation on connected supply chain. And now we will share some of our new and exciting developments in our software and control business.
Well, thank you, Sydney. I'm Chris Nardecchia, the Senior Vice President of our Software and Control Business segment and the CIO at Rockwell Automation. Our value-driven approach has helped Rockwell Automation become the world's largest company dedicated to industrial automation, information management, and digital transformation. We take a holistic approach to help our customers on their digital journeys by leveraging our products and services and differentiate ourselves through our domain expertise, customer centricity, and strategic partnership approach. We have the experience and capability to meet our customers where they are and help them accelerate their digital maturity. Some customers have adopted the cloud and software as a service at scale, and as a result are performing advanced analytics to predict failures in their operations, whereas others are laying the groundwork and building the underlying infrastructure to take advantage of these advanced technologies. Earlier, you heard from my colleague Ernest Nicholas about Rockwell Automation's journey and the successes we have achieved in our operations and our learnings along the way. This places us in a unique position to understand our customer challenges and apply these learnings to their journeys. And this is exactly how we engage with our customers. We spend time understanding where they are today, their desired end state, or outcomes they are looking to achieve, and develop a comprehensive roadmap that leverages our complete portfolio of hardware, software, services, and partner solutions, regardless of their starting point. In software and control, we are focused on developing the technologies that enable this customer journey. Control remains at the heart of automation, and customers continue to demand high reliability and safety in their manufacturing processes. At the same time, there is a growing role for software to increase agility and insights across our customers' operations. The connected enterprise is where IT and OT converge, and this is how we will deliver the next step change in productivity for the industries we serve. Over the next few minutes, you will see how we are bringing the connected enterprise to life through several significant advancements and innovations that are delivering differentiated digital solutions and unlocking hidden value for our customers. By combining our control expertise with award-winning MES offerings, an advanced industrial IoT platform, augmented reality, and analytics capabilities, we are extending our FactoryTalk Innovation Suite portfolio, one that provides the world's first comprehensive industrial transformation platform that can operate from plant to edge to cloud. I would now like to hand it off to Tessa Myers, our Vice President of Product Management for Software and Control, where she can help explain what you will be seeing at Automation Fair and how we are bringing these innovations to life and simplifying customer adoption. Over to you, Tessa.
Thanks, Chris. The connected enterprise journey really starts with our customers on ensuring that they have a modern infrastructure in place. The control and automation infrastructure is critical, and we have been making significant investments across our portfolio that you'll see this year at Automation Fair. The 5480 and the new process controller are some of the fastest processors in the market. They can execute high-speed applications, both control and edge applications, and close the loop. Our open platforms with Ethernet connectivity make them well suited to OT and IT integration. The next step in the journey is to connect this infrastructure and have the right supervisory control systems. Our new Plant PAX 5.0 is a significant leap forward with our open, secure architecture. The next step is now to leverage this infrastructure and get additional value from software. FactoryTalk is a simplified and extensible suite of software tools and applications to enable productivity for our customers. In early 2021, customers will have access to something new with FactoryTalk, a new cloud-native software environment as a service where they can explore and utilize a variety of tools focusing on all phases of a project's lifecycle. This is an example of our partnership with Microsoft. The first set of design services will be made available through the FactoryTalk Design Hub. and will allow customers to simplify workflows and maximize the investments already installed on their factory and plant floors. These new offerings will enable our customers to immediately do more within our existing FactoryTalk design software, like Studio 5000, and will ultimately expand the capabilities of our next generation of automation software when it launches later in the year. In addition, new operations-focused tools are designed to help our customers reduce the complexity in accessing the real-time data enterprises need to gain insights into their operations. With these tools, ideas once stuck in pilot can scale, and projects once confined to a single plant or factory can be expanded. We will expand the customer value of these hubs by continually updating and adding tools and functionality, including digital engineering for on-demand emulation and simulation, and similar to other technology that people use in their everyday life, just like your phone, this cloud-native environment allows tools, features, and functionality to be used easily and as soon as they are developed. In November of 2021, we will further expand our FactoryTalk Design Hub offering with our next generation of automation control software. This new automation software is built to help users keep a system-level view in mind. With an intuitive environment and experience designed for teams, multidisciplinary workflows, and the collaboration that they require, it gives greater flexibility across the system and empowers teams with improved insights. And our maintenance hub will build on our capability to bring operating, asset health, and lifecycle data together with digital models and analytics to optimize asset performance. So let's bring to life how these capabilities come together to help our customers design, operate, and maintain their operations. Arvind Rao, Director, Operations and Information Applications, and John Zapecki, our Vice President of Enterprise Software Engineering, are going to help me take you on a tour of these new capabilities.
Tessa, thank you. Now that we have a modernized and secure control infrastructure in place, let's look at how we extend value for our customers leveraging our software portfolio. So let's walk through how we add value using various customer personas from the plant floor across the enterprise. We will introduce 3 personas here: the plant engineer, the plant manager, and the VP of operations, all of whom play very critical roles, but also have very different needs. Let's start with the plant engineer. The plant engineer works with various machine builders, system integrators, and internal operations and maintenance teams to ensure productivity. At the heart of every industrial operation are assets that are connected and working together. But let's start at the very beginning, when the asset or line is in the design stage. This is the start of the digital thread. Our acquisition of Emulate 3D in 2019 allows designers, engineers, and programmers to simulate and emulate machine control, interactions, and performance. It also gives us the ability to fine-tune and refine the performance, not just at the asset, but across the line. It is also at this stage that we make the machine smart or information ready by adding common information models. By providing the simulation environment and adding analytics enablers right at the design stage, we can deliver 50 to 70% reduction in startups and performance metrics. This now allows Rockwell to differentiate in the digital engineering space. But design is a team sport. With our recently announced co-innovation program with Microsoft, we are able to extend the value of our digital engineering capabilities by providing design and collaboration tools in a secure cloud environment. Most importantly, this will drive simplification as customers look to upgrade their systems by leveraging pre-built code libraries and workflows. Now that the line has been designed and is operational in a facility, let's look at how we help the plant manager achieve peak performance. The plant manager has no easy job. At the end of the day, they're responsible for facility performance, balancing throughput, productivity, quality, and safety. This is where FactoryTalk Innovation Suite, powered by PTC, really shines. It truly brings together industry-leading capabilities across production execution with MES, IoT, augmented reality, and edge-to-cloud analytics. We recently announced multiple new capabilities here, including improved OT-IT integration with our edge offering, simplification of analytics, and machine learning, and improved edge-to-cloud scalability. Let's look at Innovation Suite in action as a plant manager uses it. They're able to get clear visibility into key performance indicators and how the plant is performing against them on a single pane of glass. They can look at production schedules and ensure on-time delivery. They can look at safety metrics and also look at maintenance schedules and critical alerts that need their attention. They can drill down into critical areas and view assets across the facility and their performance. Key measurements like OEE or asset uptime are updated in real time and can provide performance trends across various time intervals, days, weeks, or months. Underperforming assets can be isolated using easy-to-navigate visuals and further drill downs to understand opportunities for improvement. Maintenance history for each asset can be further analyzed and corrective actions taken. This gives the plant manager information at his fingertips to drive overall performance. Now, John will tell you a little bit about the VP of Operations. John?
As VP of Operations, it's critical to have a view of my plants across the globe and to have each of those plants have common metrics. So as I compare and look on a daily basis of what's going on the ground, to be able to drill down and understand how to take corrective actions, as well as drive long-term continual improvement and see the impact of changes directly through those KPIs. Historically, it's been difficult to get consistency, to handle the variety of data sources, to get real time, to get a global view with rapid time to value and on a scalable platform. The benefit is fantastic that I'm really able to leverage this tool to drive the effectiveness of operations that supports both the bottom line and helps enable the top line. Really is a game changer and allows for us to do things that we were not able to do before. I think you can see how we're able to enhance and accelerate our customers' digital transformation in partnership with PTC and Microsoft. With that, I'll turn it back over to Chris.
I'd like to thank Tessa, John, and Arvin for bringing the connected enterprise to life, and I hope that their presentations help to illustrate how we are accelerating and simplifying the digital journey for our customers, combining our technology with our strategic partners to unlock hidden value. We are fully committed to our customers' success, and we are prepared with the products, services, and solutions to meet them where they are in their journey. Thank you very much.
Thank you for that look into our software and control business. Now let's move on and learn about what's new in our intelligent devices business and also take a sneak peek tour of our products and technology showcase with our Senior Vice President of Intelligent Devices, Fran Wlodarczak.
Thanks, Sydney. I'm Fran Wlodarczak. I lead Rockwell Automation's Intelligent Devices business segment. At Rockwell Automation, we believe in expanding human possibility by bringing the connected enterprise to life for our customers. The connected enterprise enables companies and their people to be more productive and more sustainable. Our intelligent devices are the foundation of our connected enterprise. They're where the information is born and productivity is put into action. Our intelligent devices are valued for the function they perform and the information they deliver. This information increases productivity. Now, this can be in the form of preventing unplanned downtime or optimizing a process or control scheme to improve throughput and/or quality. Many of our customers indicate preventing unplanned downtime is their greatest opportunity for productivity. Intelligent devices help prevent unplanned downtime by enabling predictive maintenance and providing early insights into performance issues, as well as diagnostics to reduce mean time to repair if an event did occur. Now, I have a simple example of how intelligent devices can help prevent unplanned downtime. Take a tire manufacturer who deployed our new intelligent photoelectric device that can detect tires as they come down a conveyor line. Sometimes in these environments, a lens can be obstructed by dust and/or other material. Our new sensor can alert the operator when the lens is becoming obstructed before downtime does occur. This device can also provide its location to facilitate the maintenance work. Now, we're going to continue to build this type of intelligence into our broad portfolio of automation devices. Our intelligent devices also enable flexible manufacturing. Flexible manufacturing allows our customers to respond to changing market needs by creating agile manufacturing and production environments. These environments are capable of higher speeds with the ability to produce diverse packaging and lot sizes, which is extremely important in the consumer goods market. Our independent cart technology is a great example of one of our intelligent devices that enables flexible manufacturing. This technology helps customers significantly improve the throughput of many types of machines. Now, me talking about it just doesn't do it justice. I encourage you to view one of the great demos that we put together for Automation Fair at Home. As I mentioned earlier, intelligent devices are the foundation of a connected enterprise and include several categories of products. The first is our sensing and other industrial devices that are the base of an automation system. Next is our safety devices that allow humans to interact safely with machinery. Then we have power devices that enable the efficient use of energy in the control of motors. Then our motion devices that enable highly accurate control of motors, as well as our independent cart technology. During Automation Fair at Home, you'll have the unique opportunity to join us in our headquarters location and virtually tour our products and technology showcase, which highlights many of our intelligent device offerings. Bob Buttermore, the Vice President and General Manager of our Power Control business, will host you and give you a unique opportunity to view this new experience. Take it away, Bob.
Welcome to Rockwell Automation's Product and Technology Showcase. I am Bob Buttermore, Vice President and General Manager of our Power Control business. I'm excited to have the opportunity to give you a sneak peek into some of the highlights available during Automation Fair at Home in this new space at our headquarters here in Milwaukee. Innovation is the backbone of our competitive advantage, and our showcase brings that alive with 14 unique tour stops, the latest and greatest innovations for control, information, safety, and our high-performance architecture. And this gives you a closer look at our products and technology that can bring the connected enterprise to life for you. Today, we're going to visit a few of these stops to give you a flavor of what's available for you this week. Let's start where the data is born in some of our largest intelligent devices. Welcome to the E-House. Whether you put your power control devices like medium voltage, low voltage drives, motor control centers, and switchgear in an E-House, control room, or out on the manufacturing floor, we help you drive positive outcomes through productivity. First, by minimizing your footprint. Secondly, efficiently integrating into your control system to accelerate time to market. Maximizing uptime on high availability assets with predictive maintenance and adaptive control analytics. Lastly, our intelligent devices drive energy efficiency in your operations. That helps your company have a positive impact on the environment in which we live and work. We do this through continually investing in intelligence and simplification, like expanding premier integration to the control and information layers. Our new common high-performance control for medium voltage and low voltage drives with embedded analytics that are predictive and adaptive. A new high horsepower premium drives portfolio in low voltage drives, and our new small footprint medium voltage drives. Lastly, expanding network and safety capabilities with our intelligent MCCs. Our intelligent packaged power showcased here combines technology and domain expertise to reduce your project risk by delivering all elements of the electrical distribution system in one consolidated solution with one common control system that maximizes plant-wide productivity. Let's go talk about plant-wide process control. It's a very powerful productivity play for you when you combine our process capabilities with our power capabilities and intelligent devices. I talked about innovation earlier in this segment. This is a great example of how we are integrating process control and information together to bring the connected enterprise to life in our latest DCS release. Plant PAX 5.0 provides you with a steady stream of productivity opportunities across the life cycle of your investment. This integration allows you to harness the power of data through one system to drive digital transformation and operational excellence. Many of you have legacy DCS systems that require migration in the coming years. Risk is one of your top concerns all the time. Engage our organization to help you reduce the risk with our migration programs and set the future infrastructure for your connected enterprise. For all our process users, don't forget to check out our Process Solutions user group during your time at Automation Fair at home. Our next step in our journey goes back to a theme Fran talked about, flexible manufacturing, here at our Kinetics Motion Control stop. All manufacturers and machine builders are looking for ways to gain higher throughput per line or machine, use less floor space, and increase machine flexibility with our rapid changeover capabilities. Our motion control portfolio does just that for you. With our independent cart technology and Kinetics 5700 for high performance, complex, large and medium-sized machines. And a new addition to our family, the 5100, provides you with a small footprint, competitive solution for medium and small-sized machines. That allows you to drive flexible manufacturing to the smallest machines in your facility. As you drive more and more flexibility into your manufacturing lines with high precision control and robots, our intelligent devices like motion control, sensing, safety, on-machine I/O, and motor control are here to help you put the infrastructure in place to solve your toughest application requirements. All of this drives outcomes for you across the life cycle, reducing your total cost of ownership, maximizing asset utilization, and reducing downtime. Let's move on to our next stop, as this highlights how you integrate these with our scalable control systems to bring the information alive in your connected enterprise. Come on. This stop highlights our scalable multidiscipline control systems from micro to small and large control to drives, motion control, and our distributed I/O. Our comprehensive and diverse offerings supports flexible, sustainable manufacturing. This really brings our message home around flexible manufacturing. With large to small machines, here you can see our MicroLogix 800 control systems, which can integrate with our new Kinetics 5100 servo control, along with all of our other intelligent devices to drive high-performance control into your smallest machines and connect your entire enterprise. These controllers are optimized through our common, easy-to-use development environment that you can use across every phase of your life cycle. Let's move on to our last stop today to explore our safety solutions. Safety comes first in helping you drive smart, sustainable, productive operations that protects your most important assets, people. We are proud to be the largest safety automation provider in the world. We help you achieve safer, more productive solutions throughout the safety lifecycle, including safety services, sensors, integrated safety controllers, advanced motor control, and the tools to help you ensure compliance. We are consistently launching new products like our 450L light curtain and embedding more and more safety into our intelligent devices. When you think about safety, there's one team to call, Rockwell Automation. Safety is a big part of flexible manufacturing, allowing you to first protect your people, but it also helps you reduce your machine footprint, maximize uptime and asset utilization to deliver positive business outcomes for your manufacturing facilities. We believe that we all work better when we are combining the intelligence of people with the potential of technology to expand human possibilities. And safety is a great example of how we do that for you. Thank you for joining us on this sneak peek tour of our product and technology showcase. We are excited to share more about these stops and many others during this week. Make sure you block some time to check out this showcase virtually and find your next.
Thanks, Bob, and thanks to all of you for joining us today. We're really excited to spend the week with our customers, learning about their business challenges and how we can help create positive business outcomes.
Thank you, Fran, for that presentation on intelligent devices, and thank you, Bob, for that sneak peek into our product and technology showcase. Our final presentation of the day will come from our leadership team within our Lifecycle IQ services business. Please join me in welcoming Senior Vice President of Lifecycle Services at Rockwell Automation, Frank Kulishevitz.
Hi, I'm Frank Kulishevitz, the Senior Vice President of our Lifecycle Services operating segment. Lifecycle Services includes our service and solutions businesses and Sensia, our joint venture with Schlumberger. Sensia delivers automation and information solutions to the oil and gas industry. At Automation Fair last year, we introduced Lifecycle Services, our comprehensive approach to professional services, supporting the long-term partnership you need and expect throughout all the stages of your business lifecycle. This year, we're introducing a new brand, Lifecycle IQ Services. We're expanding the ways you can engage with Rockwell Automation technology and domain expertise to improve your business performance. So together, we can turn ideas into realities. Lifecycle IQ Service complements our other Rockwell Automation brands, Allen Bradley Hardware and Factory Talk Software. It embodies the domain experts we've located around the world with decades of experience solving complex challenges across many different industries. By combining digital technologies and our domain expertise, we can help you work faster, smarter, and with greater agility, no matter where you are in the life cycle of your business. So from innovation and design to operations and maintenance across industrial greenfield and brownfield facilities, we want to build a long-term partnership with you. We understand the unprecedented challenges you've faced as you strive to keep your operations productive, safe, and secure. Whether it's a global healthcare crisis, an aging infrastructure, or workforce challenge gaps, we can help you address your specific challenges and deliver the business outcomes you want to achieve. To ensure we can be your long-term trusted partner, Rockwell Automation is continuously evolving our lifecycle services portfolio. We're investing in a wide range of capabilities to help industrial companies like you across your plant lifecycle. We're also digitally enabling our services, leveraging data and analytics more than ever before to bring you better insights and help you wherever you are in your own digital journey. We work with different companies in many different ways. You might see Rockwell Automation as a critical component supplier, providing technology and expertise in the quality products we provide for plant automation and information. Many customers see Rockwell Automation as a key professional services provider, providing them engineering capabilities, asset management services, and remote technical support. But recently, we've been acting as a digital advisor, leveraging our existing and new capabilities to analyze your data and provide you with proactive insights to improve your competitiveness. So wherever you are in your own digital journey, we can work together to define a path to achieve the results you're looking for. We've been working with customers around the world on digital transformation, and we've really learned a lot about what it takes to create a successful digital journey. I'd like to share a bit of what we've learned and highlight some of the new capabilities we've developed for help our customers. Many of you have started on your digital journey, but digital initiatives often struggle to make meaningful progress and attain results. Our team of proven, industry-specific digital experts will work with you to understand your business goals and strategically plan, implement, and scale your digital initiatives. Our recent acquisition of Calypso is a great example of this. This team brings a comprehensive set of innovative services, modern practices, and domain expertise to help our customers on their digital journey. Let's take a specific example. We have a customer that we've been partnering with for over 40 years. And they began their digital journey a number of years ago. And since then, we've been working with them on automation and information solutions. They gave us a new opportunity to engage with them on the beginning of a new transformation project. We use human-centric design approach, applied our industry domain expertise, and developed a business case and transformation plan. We leveraged advanced capabilities like digital twins, analytics, and virtual commissioning to build a digital architecture, an approach that reduced the program cost and improved time to market, delivering immediate value for them. Because of this, our partnership has really been changed forever. One of their executives commented, "We didn't know you had these capabilities. It's just a whole new way of working together." If I'm successful today, for just one key takeaway, it's that Rockwell Automation can be your trusted partner to guide your digital journey and support your professional service needs. We're ready to deliver business outcomes, finding synergies and connections throughout your end-to-end processes and manufacturing lifecycle. Our connected world has made cybersecurity a top priority for all of us, but it's not easy to find the right skills and capabilities to manage both IT and OT security. We believe Rockwell Automation is uniquely positioned to address the challenges of IT/OT security. We have the technology and domain expertise to assess your security needs, develop a strategy leveraging our partners, and deploy and manage a secure plant infrastructure for you. We continue to expand our connected service capabilities, including the advancement of our networks and security managed service offerings. Today, we can provide remote monitoring for your network, firewalls, data centers, and applications to keep your physical and digital operations safe. We have a new security posture assessment capability to help you assess your security risks and develop an actionable plan to address those risks in your industrial infrastructure. Our recent acquisitions of Avnet and Oilo, two cybersecurity companies, really bolster our capabilities, and we'll use these new capabilities to enhance our incident response, secure remote access, and manage cyber services. We're also using these capabilities to build a secure operations center, or a SOC. A SOC continuously monitors and improves an organization's security posture and response to security events. Here's another example of how we help the customer mitigate risk with a holistic security approach. Having a secure production environment in the life sciences industry is critical. That means the ability to identify, detect, and manage potential threats in the real time. Our connected services team developed a holistic approach to plant security, updating a network infrastructure, deploying threat detection services, and implementing an endpoint security strategy to better manage portable media. Comprehensive analytics provide daily updates of system assets, potential threats, and mitigation efforts. This comprehensive approach to security allows the customer to mitigate potential risk in the future. So we're constantly evolving our offering with new innovative capabilities and modern business methods to remove complexity and achieve the business outcomes you're looking for. We're introducing a new scalable service portfolio, allowing customers to align our offering to meet their business needs. And our integrated service agreements reduce cost, improve operations, and simplify the way we work together. With 3 different levels of support, you can get the right amount of remote support, repairs, preventative maintenance, and analytics you need. Our customer portal digitally enables our service portfolio. The portal allows customers to manage, gather insights to improve their operations based on the services we provide. We also accelerated our adoption of augmented reality this year. We launched 2 new AR support services leveraging PTC's Vuforia technology. The first one, a real-time virtual assistance tool that allows our customers to easily communicate with our remote support technicians and reduce troubleshooting time. The second, a library of digital work instructions covering many common topics related to our Allen Bradley products. This tool really helps improve maintenance and reduce the need for training. Both of these are focused on reducing downtime and simplifying our support experience. This has been a really challenging year with many unexpected disturbances. We've all had to be agile and adapt to a more remote way of doing things. And we've adapted to ensure we're still providing you the support that you need. I wanted to share a story of how one of our new tools assisted one of our customers when it simply wasn't possible to have one of our engineers on site. The customer was experiencing unexpected alarm issues and had troubles identifying the root cause. They used new virtual assistance tool, Live View Support, to virtually show the machine to our remote support engineer. The engineer walked them through how to identify, fix, and test the issue quickly and easily. The competitive landscape continues to increase in all industries, and a company's success can depend on their ability to innovate and respond quickly to changing dynamics. This year, COVID-19 changed the way the world operates, challenging all of us to look, act, and be different for our customers. The ability to turn knowledge into data provides you the flexibility to respond quickly when times require it, driving innovation and value in your daily operations. Our Lifecycle IQ services has a comprehensive set of professional services and the flexibility to partner with you at any stage of your business lifecycle. So thank you for your time today, and I hope you enjoy our virtual automation fair.
Thank you, Frank, for that look into our Lifecycle IQ services business. Combined with all of our products and technology offerings, it's clear that our people, domain expertise, and ability to solve problems on behalf of our customers is a key differentiator. Okay, that's it for me. Thank you to all of our presenters for the great content you provided today. And while day one of Perspectives is in the books, Automation Fair at Home is just beginning. Make sure you take advantage of the 3 digital tours that we have to offer during Automation Fair at Home, from digital engineering to digital thread to the products and technology showcase. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow as we kick off day 2 of Perspectives with a keynote from world-renowned inventor, entrepreneur, and the founder of First, Dean Kamen. Have a great day exploring your next at Automation Fair at Home.